taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from.
Good evening from We Love Food World with Ricardo Nunes and Antonia Septimo. Hello people, how are you everyone? Tonight I'm gonna cook pasta with chorizo. Okay guys, see you! Okay guys, this is my recipe. Meron tayong red pepper, courgette, onion, pasta, and chickpeas. Meron tayong pepper, salt, chili flakes, and chorizo. Okay guys, this one is really easy and delicious. Okay, this vegetable, I want to roast this. Okay, pero roast lang natin siya people. I'm gonna do roast. Okay, malinis naman yung kamay ko. Dapat kakamayin natin. And then we're gonna mix it. Okay guys. Okay, ayan. Lagay muna natin siya dito sa baking tray. Ayan. And then, lagay natin yung onion. Okay. Ayan. Pagsasama-samahin lang natin siya people. Sorry. Okay. Mix natin siya. I wash my hand. It's really clean. And then, okay. Ayan. I-roast natin siya. So nice and tasty. Okay guys. Halagyan natin siya ng salt. Salt. And fresh pepper, okay? And meron tayong chili flakes. And mix everything. Mix lang natin people. Mix lang. Lagyan natin siya ng olive oil, of course. Olive oil, ayan. Huh? That's nice. Okay. Meron din tayong basil. Okay guys, lagyan natin siya ng basil. Ayan, basil, okay? Ayan. And mix together and put in the oven. Okay, guys. Okay people. Again, natin just the oven. Okay guys, I just diced the chorizo. And then I'm gonna fry this in here, okay? And then the boiling water is here because of the pasta. So I need to put later. Okay guys, lagyan na natin yung pasta. Okay, that's amazing, yeah. Then just mix it. Okay guys, lagay ko na to. Okay guys, so this. Chorizo. Nice and crispy. Okay. Amazing. Well done. Okay guys, look at that. That one. Nice. And the pasta. Okay people. Next is, lagyan natin yung chickpeas. Yeah. A little bit olive oil and lagyan natin yung, ayan. Wow, amazing, isn't it? Chorizo. Look delicious. And then lalagay ko yung guys, look at that. Amazing. Okay, look at this. Nice, isn't it? Fantastic, isn't it? Look at this. Yummy. Lovely. Okay guys, look at that. Lagyan natin siya ng parmesan, okay? Wow, amazing, isn't it? Hola, amigo. Look at my recipe. Look yummy. Guys, hopefully you like my recipe today. It's chorizo pasta with vegetables and chickpeas. It's look amazing, delicious. Good for everyone. Healthy one. So, please subscribe and like. In the kitchen, we are fire. Thank you for your watching. Mwah! I love you all guys. Bye now. God bless. Bye. Hi guys, I want to try it, okay? What is? Yummy. Nice the chorizo. Love it. Amazing. Thank you guys, look at that.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A gentle maid with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food.